front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. Okay, so first launch settings and click on this section called notifications right under apps one. Then select app notifications at the top. And what I like to do is click most recent at the top left corner and sort my apps by tapping on one of those filters. Apps with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all apps on your Google Pixel, which is the one I use the most, or apps with notifications already turned off. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, find your apps from which you want to block notifications and click on those switchers with check marks right next to them. If you want to switch them back on, tap on the same, now gray ones with accents. Quick tip! I always recommend to tap on a chosen app you are interested in on the left. Manage notifications thanks to this switcher next to all notifications, but also check out and operate all of those other notification options for chosen apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!